Tracey Hinrichs, and we're building a new custom home now. It's not our first rodeo with Nelson Construction, and we did a rebuild and an addition to our house that they did a wonderful job. So when we lost our house in the storm, they were the first and really the only ones that we called to rebuild.
We wanted, the FEMA-ready, best possible home to withstand a hurricane in this area of Clearwater, and they built a fortress.
It's been great. It's been it's emotional project. So many decisions have to be made, and the team, Greg and Chuck, have helped so much explain things to us, from understanding the structural aspects of everything, choosing aesthetically, and also economically, keeping it within our budget.
The contractors, the subcontractors they picked have been great to work with. Their follow through is great. Their work is excellent. And Chuck will not accept anything but excellent, best work.
I would refer Nelson 100%. I show it on Facebook because watching the process, we have been on schedule, which is a big deal in renovation or construction. We have stayed on schedule, and that's due to their team. You have to have somebody to manage all the contractors and all the moving pieces to keep things going. So give them a call if you're thinking about it.